We're still in the entering and editing basic data in a worksheet step-by-step for Excel lesson 2. We are at the third section of step-by-steps, edit a cell's content. So we're opening a new blank workbook, and in cell A1, we're going to type Fabricam and press enter so that cell A2 is now active. Let's click on cell A1. Click after Fabricam in the formula bar up top. Type space and let's type the word incorporated. And press the tab key. E1 becomes the active cell now, so there's nothing in the formula bar. Let's click on cell A1 and let's double click incorporated here in the formula bar. And let's change that to INC period. And we'll press enter. These are the ways that you can change your text or entry in a cell by using the formula bar. In cell A2, type sales and press enter. Let's click A2 and then in the formula bar put our cursor after sales. Press your home key on the keyboard. Notice your cursor or insertion point moves to the beginning of the formula bar. End, home, and your arrow keys on the keyboard will allow you to move around in the formula bar area. Let's type monthly for the word sales and a space and press enter. In cell A3, let's type January and press enter. Let's click on cell 3, and without going to the formula bar, let's just type February. Notice that it replaces January. All right, let's click cell A3 and click the delete button, not backspace, but delete on the keyboard. Your entry in A3 is removed. Above row 1 and to the left of column A is a little triangle. If you click that triangle, it selects everything in the worksheet. Press the delete key and everything goes away. So when everything is selected, you're working on all of your worksheet at once. All right, let's place 1, 2, 3, and 4 in cells A1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's highlight them all and press delete. All the cells get erased. Let's undo that so we don't have to type it again. Quick access toolbar, undo, and they return. In cell B5, let's type $225,000. Wouldn't you love to have that? Let's go ahead and delete that. And let's type, without the dollar sign, 225000 and press enter. Notice that the formatting was not cleared when we used the delete key. All right, let's click in cell B5 again. Let's go up to our editing group in our home tab, and we will do the drop arrow by clear, and we will click on clear formats. That will remove the format. Delete will just remove the actual typing that you did into that cell. All right, you do not need to submit this for the assignment.